Hey everyone, if Resident Evil Requiem is not launching or keeps crashing on your PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through several solutions step by step to fix the problem. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Locate Resident Evil Requiem. Right-click it and select Properties. Click on Installed Files. Select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to scan and repair your game. Once it's done, try launching the game again. Solution 2. If that didn't fix it, right-click Resident Evil Requiem in Steam. Select Properties. Click on Installed Files. Select Browse Local Files. Locate re9.exe. Right-click it and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as administrator. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Now launch your game. Solution 3. Open the Start menu. Type Device Manager and open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU. Select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install the latest version. Solution 4. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu. Type NVIDIA app and open it. Go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. Install the latest driver available. After installation, restart your PC. Solution 5. Open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and look for x86. Click vc_redist.x86 to download it. Click vc_redist.x64 to download it as well. Now, locate the downloaded files. Double-click vc_redist.x64. Accept the terms. Click Yes. Wait for it to install. Click Close. Do not restart yet. Then, double-click vc_redist.x86. Click Yes. Accept the terms. Wait for it to install. Finally, restart your PC. After restarting, launch Resident Evil Requiem again. One of these solutions should fix your launching or crashing problem. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.